Jamaica, good life. We're out here on the team. People a long time not shoot the video. See it wholesale market. We are shooting it. So we have all the mango already. So the market start already, everything. But you know, here traffic on the road. See the wholesale market start. People them out there. Up in our wholesale, everybody have some money. Everybody are looking for us to sell the taxi, wholesale market. We are go up in it right now. Right now we are go up in it, people, wholesale, everybody busy, everybody are looking something. Everybody are looking something to see the people. Start the wholesale market, start. Start. Early stealing people, see there. Every angle we have people who sell beer things. Early shopping people who can come in and get them fresh overnight. Once they start from 5 o'clock. Everybody out. Everybody is for the shopping, everybody there for the list. See the beer, see the people. Everything fresh. Everything up. Wholesale market. Everything up running. Everybody had the thing. Everybody has sell something. Everybody had something. See, everybody had the thing. Everybody had make money. Wholesale get everything fresh. People on the fly down, everything fresh on Tuesday night, go back to Wednesday. Everybody fresh, everybody up and running. They get everything fresh. See, my friend I always have a fresh yam for Upper Chilani, pop chop, banana, Irish. People from all over the world, remember they come in. When they come and link up, yeah. People from all over, see me? Husband and wife always on it. I do it thirds. There people that bring everything fresh. When I come in at Jamaica, wholesale start from Tuesday right back till Wednesday morning. We have everything out. See, we have a potato, see, we have a dashing, cookie soup, see the pepper, pine. See the people, everybody there so so see the sweet pepper. We have all the cartman, we carry a load if we can't manage it. Everything there. Irish, carrot, onion. Lovely music they sell, see this, a wholesale night. See the paper, everything there, good ginger, good green banana. See the paper, every Tuesday night till Wednesday morning. Wholesale, everything fresh. Nothing stale, everything fresh up running from Tuesday till Wednesday. Right out of the ground. Right out of the ground, people, you get everything fresh. Right price, wholesale price, and we have good price. We have all international price. Price and you welcome back here, see the ginger there. See it up, people. And you miss it, see the wholesale night. Everything up, see the bag with the pine, coconut, scallion and thyme, pretty over there, so see the people. Everything up running, wholesale night. We have a good price, see people, just link up. We have a cane, we have a lemon, burger, orange, we have everything. See lady a chop all the jelly, well skillful, see it there? And a man can chop it. And you mean mama chop it, show them. The whole world has see it. See the whole world has see it. See the mommy are selling carrot, everybody busy and do it. Alright, cabbage. Jai coat that man for we are Spain town.
We are said catching the ground.
Alright, sir.
Chop off the men.
Up on the road, see the people well fresh every morning, every Tuesday night. Right back till Wednesday morning. Wednesday evening by 6 o'clock, everybody pack up, see the people. See Pine man them there. We have the cat man them. See the pumpkin them the people. Everything up running people. Everything fresh, everything ready. Everything fresh, everything ready, everything up running people. Just link up. Theater people, wholesale market early and up and running. They are going to do the thing, you know.
Who's the pineapple? Who's the pineapple? Pineapple.
They uncle. But I won't say man, because I blow, I have to sell the pepper there. The whole world, so blows, you know. 400 a pound, daddy. Alright, so people see onion, they see banana, them. Yeah, man, if they come here, color blue, see the laughing color. Here go blood. They show the whole world how the thing said. And Tuesday till Wednesday, you mean? Go if you can't stop it selling. Food have to eat. Theater people, you know, when you come down every Tuesday night till Wednesday morning, theater people. Everything fresh, nothing stale. Nothing stale. Everything up and running. Everything good. See the people in cauliflower, see there. Everything up and running.
If you can't wait, not got too much.
Everything fresh, everything up running. See people them. Man, as I recipe, just I show the fresh thing. For the Jamaica good life thing. Alright, my boss. Up and running people, everything fresh, everything up and running, see there? See the people? Everything, nothing stale. Go on the market. The greatest is life, man. Once you have life, they have hope. The market will turn out. People just get little freedom because spend their money, I know. The Prime Minister. See it a fresh carrot, see it a.
Come on, turn around.
See it a people. Broad man, so spend money, but we just a shoot a video. Just a shoot a video. You can spend something, man. Everything there, man. Elephant, you know, just say what you can sell in here today. Last time we interviewed, had the food selling, I walk over here. Free up. Food selling, same way.
There's some dasheen, I mean, pine, pepper, plantain.
But the person them see no elephant, man.
Man,
A clean thing, you know, carrot, everything.
Yeah, man, everything we have them, man.
Alright, so. Last time we interviewed, you shot the world, you know. See the elephant there now. The artist, I said, we give suck like the artist, you know, clean every day in the market.
Yeah, man, that's how we clean, man.
I will say everything you have, daddy.
Yeah, man.
I will say, alright, daddy, straight Tommy. In the farm, straight Tommy.
Hot pepper.
Yeah.
Dasheen.
Yeah.
Pineapple.
Yeah.
Pumpkin. Carrot. Nice right banana.
Up and running, we see people when they come in here, they can link elephant. Well fresh.
Yeah, man, that's how we swag it and so we deal it, you know.
Alright, my boss.
See there? A walking shop that over there, sir.
Everybody I do a look hustling.
Yeah, everybody hustle, man.
Alright, my boss. Early morning. See the people.
Yeah, what kind of video?
Early morning, you see the wholesale morning. Everything out. My friend with the garlic. The garlic them there.
Yo, you gotta get to your husband.
Garlic them see pie now. Early morning. Tomato.
Husband, the garlic, yeah. You want natural vaccine? Natural vaccine.
Garlic.
Remember, natural vaccine.
Garlic man there.
And now if you don't know, you man go tell your husband. See that?
Natural garlic. Well, it's a good season.
Yes.
Alright, people. Up and running the wholesale market in the morning. Take the people from Tuesday night to the Wednesday. Whole place packed. Have a fire squeeze show. Bro. Pumpkin, people. Tomato. See the people.
Who's the pineapple? Who's the pineapple?
Wholesale market selling.
Who's the pineapple?
You know?
Yeah, talk to me now. 4 million yard.
Yeah, you come in at blood clot to try to show